We have been sailing across the Pacific Ocean for the past 3 weeks straight, and today we are on our final leg of the journey.
Good morning, Brian.
Good morning.
What are you having?
I'm making a weird sandwich.
That's very good though. Bon appetit. And who did all this? Yesterday's lecturer. Oh my god. Merci beaucoup.
After 2 weeks alone at sea, no land and no human in sight, we spotted a sailboat on the horizon and immediately contacted them over the radio. This led to 4 days of daily chats, recipe exchanges, weather reports, and singing.
Captain Jerry's boat, she's a beauty, see she flows. We are lucky to be here with him. But sometimes that's not enough. All the things you've given us. 'Cause I want your boat. How can I make it mine? I want your boat. A mutiny sounds divine. So sleep with one eye up at night. You might fall and hit your head. Maybe you just die in bed. Who knows? Anything can happen here. You might get a heart attack, or you might fall off the back. There's no way to check our story. I want your boat. How can I make it mine? I want your boat. I'm your captain, sounds just fine. Will you keep an eye open at night? Woo! So I did another workout with Kat, and I haven't seen him for 2 hours. I think he's upstairs dying, so I'm just gonna have a little check to see if he's still alive. You're alive?
Best day ever.
Great. Didn't see you for a while, so I thought you were up or dying. Your words, not mine.
Oh, your song.
So I'm just sitting here on my night shift, thinking, what would happen if I fell into the water? No one would hear me, no one would see me, no one would even look for me for the next 3 hours before the next person comes into the shift. I would be screwed. I think that's the worst thing that could happen out here. Someone falling into the water and no one would notice. I'm starting to get a little bit more tired now. I think the initial excitement is going a little bit down, and in addition we had a little bit rougher weather the last few days, so it's been just a bit more movement, a bit more noises all the time, so I'm getting a little bit tired. No matter how good it is out here on the boat, it will be very nice to see land again. So I was sitting here when this land bird just flew by, and it suddenly hit me that we are very close. And then I was like, oh no, it means it's over. And I got really sad because I just had such an incredible time, and I'm gonna remember this for the rest of my life. During a full moon at sea, an extraordinary event takes place. The moon pulls the water to the opposite side of our bodies, and we become our alter egos for the night. Meet the new crew of the boat. So, who are you? And tell us a little bit about yourself.
They call me Danger.
What do you do, Danger?
I make people laugh till they die.
So my name is Carmen, and I am makeup artist / selfie dancer, but free time. So I'm very happy to be here with you guys. You look like amazing people. So
Hello. Esmeralda. I am here to serve you the best drinks of your life today. So that's what I do. I'm a bartender, and when I'm after bartending, I'm the nurse.
My chosen name is Teki. I chose it for myself when I was on this spiritual journey in Asia, where I learned everything there is about the meaning of colors, zodiac signs, and how they make up who we are and everything in the universe. I was so blessed to surround it by these amazing people to scroll that. What is the full moon party?
The full moon party is whatever you want it to be.
Oi, oi, oi! Who's coming?
thank you.
Is this a filming thing? Well, I'm from Texas, so we don't do that down there. I'm from Texas. Have I mentioned that? I drive fast cars. I like loose men.
Great guy.
I think she's a girl.
Guy?
Facial hair was a dead wet.
I've been thinking about you. 빨리 고백해볼까? 눈 감고 말해볼까? 미치겠어. Only you. 이런 건 처음이야. 너무 설레미쳤나? I've been thinking about it. 내 맘 아는 사람 손들어 하여 우리 눈엔 완벽한 lover. 내 맘 아는 사람 손들어 하여 우리 눈엔 완벽한 lover. 다가가도 괜찮겠지? 다른 애들보다 내가 훨씬 단단하게 걸어가면 다들 속작 My confidence is shooting through the roof. 아무리 고개를 흔들어도 난 이 생각만 하고 있을 뿐. 아무리 딴짓해봐도 난 너의 목소리만 들릴 뿐. 있으면 해 here with me. 가득 심장이면 please tell me.
Very dramatic.
Arrival day. 2 days earlier than expected. 99 miles left. 9 a.m. About to start my shift. Let's see what's going on.
Good morning.
Morning.
Welcome to your
To my last shift.
because we're gonna skip the night shift.
Nice.
So previously we saw what we think is an island called Hiva. And so we have been staring straight for the last hour trying to find Fatu Hiva, which is our destination. So I was looking at something for maybe 15 minutes, but it's just a shadow. It's so unclear. I was like, is it something or not? It's something with my contacts. And Brian was telling this very interesting story, so I just had to wait until he finished. But then I was like, okay, this is something. So what we see is the Fatu Hiva and the excitement to see land. Maybe it was a bit bigger for them, but it's something special. I hope I'll remember it.
We finally arrived in Fatu Hiva, the island where Thor Heyerdahl, the Norwegian explorer, developed his hypothesis that Polynesia was actually populated from South America, contradicting the common beliefs. As we were entering the bay, we were greeted by a large manta ray that guided us safely to our anchoring, bringing a magical end to a challenging but extraordinary journey. Why is no one looking happy? Everyone's like...
It's a long trip.
Well, Congratulations. We crossed the Pacific, or we did the Pacific crossing, however you want to say it. Something that many people talk about, but few people ever do on their own boat. So I wouldn't say we're one of a handful of people, but we're certainly a rare breed at this point. It was trying, it was enjoyable, and I would do it again with you guys anytime. An awesome crew.
Awesome voyage.
So we christened the boat back in 2019 with a little saying that says, for thousands of years, men have been going to sea on ships built in various methods. We spill spirits to them and christen them to keep us safe on these voyages to unknown lands and bring us back to our friends and family. And so this ship, christened back in 2019, has done that today, 3,000 miles across the Pacific. So here's to Cerebral also.
Cerebral. She's a great boat.
Yeah, I wish it was mine.
There's a song about that. This has been awesome. The time flew by, even though it seems like 3 weeks is a long time. It is. But I guess when you're doing something you love and something that's a lot of fun with great people, the time just flies by.
Think what you were doing 3 weeks ago, and that whole time, from then until now, we were sailing non-stop, 24-hour shifts. It's going to seem anticlimactic, but I hope you remember this moment. And we did it in 20.5 days, which is 2 days faster than our fastest estimate. So that's pretty impressive.
No, it's very fast. Never expected it would be so fast.
And surprising, yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm just so happy that we made it. It's like amazing. I feel like you should do a group hug or something because I just want to like share with everyone.
All right, group hug.
We crossed the Pacific. That's crazy.
That was nice.
That sounds special.
I'm glad we can do a group hug.